Hey everyone, MZ Car Club. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated hypercars of the decade, the 2025 Porsche 918. The legendary Porsche 918 Spyder changed the game in hybrid performance, and now, Porsche is taking it to the next level with the all-new 918. Featuring mind-blowing speed, cutting-edge hybrid technology, and a futuristic design, this hypercar is built to dominate the roads and the track. Let's break down its interior, exterior, pricing, safety, performance, and overall appeal. Interior design. Stepping inside the 2025 Porsche 918 feels like entering a fighter jet cockpit. Porsche has crafted a high-tech, minimalist interior that blends luxury with race-ready performance. The driver-focused curved OLED digital display replaces traditional gauges, giving real-time performance stats, energy flow, and track data. A massive 12.9-inch touchscreen sits in the center console, featuring the latest Porsche Communication Management (PCM) system with AI-assisted driving modes, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Porsche has introduced carbon fiber bucket seats with memory foam technology, ensuring maximum support during high-speed cornering. The GT-style steering wheel now features touch-sensitive controls and a red boost button, unlocking instant power from the hybrid system. With premium Alcantara, carbon fiber, and titanium accents, the 918's interior is as luxurious as it is performance-focused. And for those who crave an open-air driving experience, the removable carbon fiber roof panels turn the 918 into a Spyder in seconds. Exterior design. Porsche has redesigned the 918 to look even more futuristic and aggressive. The aerodynamic bodywork features laser-thin LED headlights with integrated air intakes, a massive active rear wing, adapting in real time for enhanced downforce, a fully sculpted carbon fiber body, reducing weight while improving rigidity, dihedral butterfly-style doors, giving it a hypercar-worthy entrance. The rear end features an aggressive diffuser and vertical exhaust outlets, optimizing aerodynamics and sound. The 918 sits on ultra-lightweight forged alloy wheels, wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, offering maximum grip. Every line and curve of the 2025 Porsche 918 is engineered for speed and efficiency, making it one of the most stunning hypercars ever built. Pricing. The 2025 Porsche 918 doesn't come cheap. The base model is expected to start around $1.5 million, with high-performance WISAC packages pushing the price beyond $2 million. With limited production, this hypercar is reserved for elite collectors and enthusiasts. Safety features. Despite being a hypercar built for speed, Porsche has packed the 918 with advanced safety tech, including adaptive cruise control with AI-predictive steering, 360-degree surround camera for precision parking, automatic emergency braking and collision avoidance, advanced stability and traction control for track-ready grip, carbon fiber monocoque chassis, ensuring extreme crash protection. This 918 isn't just fast, it's one of the safest hypercars on the planet. Performance. Now, let's talk about what truly makes the 2025 Porsche 918 a beast: the performance. Porsche has developed an updated hybrid powertrain, featuring a 4.6L twin-turbo V8 producing 800-plus horsepower, 2 electric motors, adding an extra 300-plus horsepower, a total combined output of over 1,100 HP. With a next-gen lightweight battery pack, the 918 delivers insane acceleration, hitting 0 to 60 mph in just 2.1 seconds. The top speed is expected to exceed 225 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest Porsche hypercars ever built. A newly developed 8-speed PDK transmission ensures lightning-fast gear shifts, while an advanced torque vectoring system enhances cornering precision. The 918 also features an all-electric driving mode, allowing for up to 50 miles of silent, emission-free driving. Porsche's WISAC package shaves off even more weight, adding aero enhancements, magnesium wheels, and a titanium exhaust, making it a track monster. Overall verdict: the 2025 Porsche 918 is more than just a hypercar, it's a statement of engineering excellence. With its futuristic design, hybrid powertrain, and jaw-dropping speed, Porsche has once again set a new benchmark in the world of high-performance vehicles. That's it for today's MZ Car Club review. What do you think about the 2025 Porsche 918? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews. See you next time.